looks like I just woke up, it's because I did literally just wake up some time back. I have woken up, done a feed, and I've kind of put him down. I've kind of put baby down to sleep. I'm now entering the new house. This is where we've been settling things down, where half my not half, all my wardrobe is. Even with the baby, I've already set up his entire wardrobe. Actually, his things are better set up than mine because I still have so much of decluttering and all to do. Today is the day we officially move into the house. चाबियों का गुच्छा यहाँ है कि ऊपर ही है? अयो, चाबियों का गुच्छा नहीं, लाइन में मुझे कपड़े निकालने थे इसके और मेरे. अरे सॉरी, ला दो ना प्लीज. I'm basically here to... So I'll explain to you what's happening this afternoon. As you may know, my husband and his family are Tamilian, and so there's a Tamilian way of welcoming the baby when they come home for the first time. I don't know if you saw the last vlog, but they did that when we took him to like their house also. Now that's their house, now that's not our house anymore pretty much, right? And today they want to do that as he comes into like this home, which is where he's going to be living, baby boy. And I'm very excited because they want to do like a special welcome for him, and they're hosting a lunch. The only thing is, because even though they want to host the lunch, I don't have seating in this house as yet. So while you see certain things done, there's a lot that's not done, like my dining table and my... लेकर आ जाओ ना प्लीज, तो मैं करके ऊपर चले जाती हूँ. My dining table and my coffee tables are still like being made with the carpenter. A lot of the furniture is retained from earlier. Some I've just maintained my IKEA stuff at. And then I've custom made a whole lot of things as well. Of course, I'll give you the breakdown on all those things when I get down to the house tours. But basically, there's no space to sit in my house. There's no seating. My dining chairs, my dining table, my coffee table, none of that is here yet. And so, since my parents live in the same building, we're basically going to be doing the lunch at their place. So my in-laws are hosting it, but my parents are also kind of hosting it because it's happening in their house at the end of the day. So that's kind of exciting because today will be the first day for us in this house. I am just waiting for Parukara to get the keys. I can't believe I left the keys up. I'm so silly. My postpartum brain has not been braining, in a nutshell. I am going to take a couple of new pairs of clothes out for me as well as baby, because I want us to wear nice clothes while being welcomed into the lunch and everything. Hopefully my chachi will make it for the lunch as well. My chachi came in yesterday. I filmed a shorts. I don't know if you guys have seen it. I hope you subscribed. If you haven't, now is a good time to please go ahead and hit that ring that bell button. Go ahead and hit that ring the button. Wow. Go ahead and you get the message, right? Please go ahead and do that. I'm back to work properly, and I'm just looking for more and more motivation in this process essentially. And she's come down. She's here for a couple of weeks. Thank you so much. And I am excited to potentially have her here today. She's actually here for something else, and she's going to be squeezing us into her schedule whenever she can. Okay. I am going to get to selecting some clothes, and I'll catch up with you in a bit. मुझे ये करके ऊपर नाश्ता करने जाना है.
I can pop more. I bet you. Yeah, I can pop more.
I am surrounded by cartoons.
Having a competition. She thinks she can pop more.
Baby boy is entering his first home officially for the first time.
His first home was you. Can I wake him up?
What? No.
Can I bite him?
Not yet.
Not yet.
I call dibs whenever
No.
the time comes.
It's me. I called tips. One
Go
cheek,
check if you can come in.
one cheek butter, one cheek Nutella.
Careful, there's steps behind you.
One cheek butter, one cheek Nutella.
I don't need anything. I can bite.
That's true.
Thank you, Tatai.
Huh?
Thank you, Tatai. Sorry. I'm still learning.
Tata is a dish.
Thank you, Appai. He's smiling.
हमारे लिए कर रहे हैं.
Appai. Come inside. Yes. What a pretty setup Appa has done for you.
Yeah.
What a lovely setup. Blissfully in sleep, unaware of the world. Yeah. He's smiling in his sleep.
When you speak to him Tamil, he'll learn Tamil.
Yeah.
See how
I
he's
told
sleeping?
Paro Khala to speak to him in Marathi. We'll tell Neelama to speak to him in Malayalam. You all will speak to him in Tamil. Jerry and I will speak to him in English and Hindi. Mama will speak to him in Gujarati.
And teach him wrong Gujarati.
It's okay, some Gujarati so he'll learn.
Anam used to understand full Persian because I had Persian neighbors. And then when she was 2, we shifted to Carter Road, and then her Persian went away.
What are we doing over here?
Trying to assemble the kitchen.
Yes, trying to assemble the baby's play gym. Are we gonna manage this? Huh?
Yeah, she give me about 15-20 minutes and we'll be done.
Okay, amazing. He's YouTubing.
Let's come back.
You didn't hear him crying? Dadi called and said he was crying.
Come back after.
Okay.
Come back after 30 minutes and we'll be done.
Okay, awesome.
Not too long.
Okay, I've been called here. Oh, wow. Okay, listen, you did not take 30 minutes for this. You barely took 15, maybe less.
Yeah, but I think it's a little loose because I did it by myself. See, it's not handling the weight properly.
We'll figure something out. Don't worry. But I think you've done a fab job.
This bottom rope is a little loose.
We'll check that, don't worry, but it looks fab. In case you're wondering where I got this from, it is available online, but ours was a hand-me-down. My friend Trisha, who you guys have met like a dozen times, had Kabir last year and he's outgrown a bunch of things. This is one of the things that Kabir is no longer interested in, and so it's gotten passed down to us. She actually very generously gave us a bunch of things. There was his rocking little bassinet car seat type of thing. It's not a car seat. It's more like a baby carrier. It's actually perfect because it does what our car seat doesn't do, which is sits by itself and gets rocked. Our car seat needs to be plugged into the stroller. It doesn't balance itself. It's essentially just meant to be carried around, put in a car or put on the stroller, and it doesn't rock. So hers does. She also had an extra mosquito net. She had a lot of extra breast milk pads, the disposable ones. I have the washable ones. I didn't have the disposable ones. And a couple of other things. Some of this play gym, black and white flashcards for kids. So like a bunch of things that her kid is kind of done with. And I was like, okay, I'm happy to take those because then I don't have to buy them. We're all about sustainability and budgeting over here. The house is a mess, but look who's here in her new home. Hi, honey. We'll open her as soon as the main door is closed. Oh my god, I'm so excited to see her reaction. And I hope she like comes to me now. The other day she refused to come to me. She like literally, she came to me a couple of times when I was sitting with the baby and sniffed us and all. हाँ, किधर रखेंगे अपन इसका litter box?
जितना हो सके मैंने साफ किया।
धोएंगे तो सूखेगा नहीं।
नहीं अभी नहीं, पोछे सूखे कपड़े से यानी धोते नहीं है, सूख जाएगा, गीला रह
और
जाएगा।
रेती तो उधर है।
हाँ रेती है।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। Hi honey, welcome home.
This is your new home.
I told you she's gonna run by the house.
Yeah, I think she'll also find the couch familiar from before, but it's not gonna have that smell. Listen, she better not spoil the curtains in this house, huh? Hi! We have started the process of settling in all its glory. The house, I will say, is barely like, I'm gonna say like 50% done. There's so much more that's pending. I just placed a huge order from Instamart, Swiggy. This is not sponsored. I just tend to use them a lot. And for food ordering, we switch between Swiggy as well as Zomato. But for these quick things, even though I have a grocery store, I realize the general store literally next to my building. Sometimes I'm just used to using Instamart, so I stick to that. Hi, baby. I'm doing an Instamart haul. Do you want to come be part of it?
Sure.
He's been helping me do everything that Jerry would typically do because Jerry was gone and just came back. Like, he had gone home to get nibbles, as you guys saw. So let me show you everything I ordered from Instamart. Starting off with bread and eggs. Again, I could have just got this. In this building, there is a chacha who sells bread and eggs, right?
Yeah.
Who has been coming to us since my bachpan, even in our old building in Carter Road. So, like, I'm very happy to be able to go back to buying from him. He'll come later in the evening. I made the huge boo-boo of ordering top load Surf Excel when my washing machine is front load. I went down to the Swiggy app and there is no option for return. All the reasons were about damaged products and wrong products. There is no "you're stupid, you ordered the wrong product" option. So I'm just gonna have to suck it up and either let this go to waste or use it. Yes, Bobby. I heard a meow.
Yeah.
She's settling in slow and steady, like she's exploring everything. The only place which is a no-go for her is obviously the baby's crib. But barring that, she can go all over the house. I think she's gonna enjoy the balcony. Okay, we've got 2 Harpiks over here. This is gonna be a very ghar grahasti haul, huh? Like in general. We've got Lysol because that's what we use. We've got some Dettol. Now, even though I don't have a Dettol bottle, I have a brand new hand pump. Can you bring me that to myself from there? We actually picked this up from, I think, Walmart in the US. We picked up 2. My mom has one and I've got one now, which is perfect. Right? Thank you for like pumping hand soap. I love the way this looks. Very my aesthetic. So the Dettol is going to go in there. And then we've got some Vanish. For anyone who knows me, you know I always have Vanish at hand. It is one of those things that really genuinely I think takes stains away without the bleach factor, and so I really count on it all the time. I make everybody use Vanish when they ask me what to do for stains. This is like a regular toilet cleaner that I found on Swiggy Instamart, but I actually really like the toilet cleaners that IKEA has. That is such a weird preference zone to share, but those actually are very nice to maintain. Obviously, I left mine in the old house for my in-laws, so I'm going to buy new ones when I go to IKEA, probably next week or something. I need to make an IKEA run. We've got some Scotch-Brite Kathas over here. We've also got some other like regular soft Scotch-Brite ones which will come out of somewhere. We've got Ambipure Room Freshener over here, which is basically going to go into use in the bathroom. We've got some more Lysol. Did I order 2 Lysols? Yeah, 2 Lysols. Okay, good. I've got the regular wala Scotch-Brite I was just talking about. That means there has to be some Vim as well. And very important, sanitizer. I actually...
Not important.
Not important? Dude, after COVID, have you learned post-COVID that sanitizer is one of the most important things to have at hand? Even more so when you have a newborn baby and you're expecting guests to come around, and I just want to make sure everyone's hands are like super clean. Jerry, I ordered something for you. Oh my god, this is in terrible condition. Oh my god, this is smashed and in disgusting condition. Ew. I ordered guava juice for you. Yeah, but it's in shit condition. I need to like...
Yeah, that house is a damaged product. You missed
Yeah,
on
I'm
that.
sure there ever was one. It's like dirty everywhere. Maybe we can clean it.
No. Yeah.
Okay, let's
I
see.
think you found out we should do that. There's nothing else that can be done.
Okay, let's see.
I'm getting my glasses.
And then we've got some butter. I'm such a huge fan and I love Amul butter. I'm such a loyalist that in America, in Fremont, when we were living there for the past few months, you don't get Amul butter everywhere. Even at the Indian grocery stores, you don't get Amul butter everywhere. I would go to the 2 specific ones once in whatever 2-3 weeks to get Amul butter because I refuse to have any other butter. Then we got some Amul cheese slices because for my eggs Kejriwal. And then the rest of this bag is literally 6 paperboard coconut waters because I love my coconut water and I felt like having some and it was right there, so I ordered it. Okay, with that we come to the end of this Ghar Grahasti haul. Ryan, what are you doing? Chopping up the photos. The photos from our old house are being chopped up. Some of them have gotten spoiled. As you can see, there's like stains over here anyway. So I don't want to just throw them. I want them chopped up before we throw them. That's what Rayyan is doing. He's been a very helpful little elf today. This is the next big काम. I was telling Paru Khala we need to get to. क्या हो गया? पंखा का, हाँ वो जो एरो वाला है ना वो है पंखे का बटन हर कमरे में, क्योंकि एक वो बाजू है और एक ये बाजू है, तो हर कमरे में जिधर एरो है ना यानी उसका वो चीज़ का 2 जगह पे स्विच है. दिस इज द cot that I think you guys have seen earlier. My Chachi's sister very sweetly got us flowers today. I've kept the bag here. It is not the actual baby. Duh, how stupid. What a lame joke that was, Anam. Anyway, I have a bunch of कहाँ गया चादर, हाँ, I have a bunch of these chadars for cot mattresses that we got from Carter's. We actually got a bunch of these free, like I could select them, but every time you shopped worth about $150 you got one of these free, and we clearly shopped quite a bit because I have about 6 of these chadars with me, and so I want to make sure they fit sizing wise to the IKEA cot as well. The baby is awake on top and is being bottle fed by my mom, by his nanny, so by the time he's ready to come to me I want to make sure the cot is in place because I don't want him sleeping. I mean the bed is big enough for him to be sleeping with us, but I want him to be sleeping in the cot as much as possible, so I want the size checked and all of that. क्या हो गया? नहीं ये तो कारपेंटर ने लगा दिया था ना. He's home. Hi. Welcome to your first home. Alhamdulillah.
He took a burp.
To sleep after putting baby boy to sleep, and then he woke up a little while ago again. At that time I was so tired, and because I'd already done 4 feeds through the night, I asked Paru Khala to give him a bottle and put him back to sleep. So she did that, and she also sent him on top because my parents wanted to see him. Now I literally, as I woke up, it's 11 a.m. I'm sitting and going through laminate options for the shutters in the bathroom. I need to close this like on an ASAP basis, and right after this I really want to jump in for another shower, and yeah, that's what's happening this bright morning. First day in the house, already chaotic. ये होता है ना fluted that she wanted to do, or was it something else?
No, this is fluted laminate.
It's been a chaotic morning already. I got up, did a feed, went for a shower, heard the baby crying while I was in the shower. Same thing that happened last night. Came rushing out, fed him, he didn't sleep. We went up. I thought I was going to have breakfast. I had some breakfast. But then he got done with his massage and shower. So I decided to put him down. Came down. I went to sit on Nibbles' mat technically. But then Nibbles joined us, and 3 of us are just sitting there together for a bit. Baby is down now, but I can't put him in his crib because there's work going on in the bedroom. The drilling sound you're hearing is the glass partition that's being put inside the bathroom. And the cameras are being all installed everywhere simultaneously all over the house. This house is going to have so many more cameras than the previous house because I just want to make sure I can see the baby at any time. Yeah. There's a Swiggy order that's come that I couldn't do a haul for, so I asked Jerry to do the haul. So you did the haul, baby? So I'm just going to see that and insert those clips here.
Anam's out with the baby, and she just Swiggy'd Instamarted some groceries that we urgently need. So this is a grocery haul. We've got tea here, we've got atta, we've got 1 kg rice, we've got idli dosa batter, green chilies, ginger garlic, tea, lemon, milk, coconut chutney, okay, ghee, okay, and my coffee. Wow, there's a lot. I know if I'll be able to finish this. Seriously, a lot. How am I going to finish this? What was Anam thinking? I'll have to go to market and sell some of this before it goes bad.
Working with Namra after so long. Actually, no. Once in the middle we work together, but I feel like ये proper वाला थोड़ा working हुआ. We've got baby boy over here in his bassinet next to me because I wanted to be able to see him, and we're getting things done and getting back into action. He's pouting. Yeah, well, beta kiska hai my mother and father say. When he gets like dramatic and he makes all these expressions, my parents are like,
Yours.
I'm like 22-hour labor should have been enough for everyone to know he's mine, but sure. What?
I want him to be like you, like, you know, become sexy.
Going to eat? Yes, please go to eat. What happened? Where's he? I ate him up. Kha gayi main. There, above your head, there's a wire hanging. They put the camera here, but I think router. And what if we don't put the router? Should have just put the camera there, no? Hi, it is later in the evening the next day, and literally yesterday after I vlogged in the afternoon, I think my day got swallowed up in whole. I basically had a huge migraine kicking in. There was drilling work going on in the bathroom because our wet dry area sectional, the glass was getting installed, and the sound was so loud that Jerry and I both got intense headaches, migraines. The entire evening my leg was in a lot of pain as well. I don't know if I mentioned it before, but in case I haven't, my left leg hasn't been the same since post delivery. It's been quite moody about feeling good. So yesterday was a really bad day. Today is actually the first day in the last couple of days where it's given me actual, like, I won't say relief, like it's come back to normal, but it's feeling better, let me put it like that. Alhamdulillah, I don't want to jinx it, my god. Today I just got done with therapy. I spent the day trying to edit a vlog but getting cut off from editing the vlog at least 3 different times. I also was trying yesterday when I couldn't. I had a relative come in from Pune to meet the baby, so I got really busy there. I just basically pura din pata nahi kahan gaya hai mera. He's up right now at my mom's house. He was sleeping. I think he must have woken up. Ji mama, okay, I'm coming. He's woken up and I need to go, and this is where a lot of my vlogging and wanting to do other things gets cut off. I don't mind. I love my little boy. I'm gonna go up, okay? Literally my laptop is here. I just finished therapy virtually. उसको नींद आ रही है ना, इसके लिए रो रहा है. Today, हाँ सुला दो. Today is a special day. He's a little cranky, but it's his Akika day, which is basically his first haircut ever, kind of like a mundan, a lot of people call that. And there are also going to be goats cut for him, 2 goats cut in his name, which my dad is going for. Basically the cutting of the goat has to happen at the same time as his first hair gets shaved off. So he's going to be Taklu today. And now we're going up because it's happening at Nani Nanu house, which is basically here up. And I don't know how I'm going to vlog this, but I want to try and vlog so that at least later I can share clips with you. Let's see how I manage things. Hey dear Arif Chachu, happy birthday to you.